All right, today is July 16th, Monday, July 16th, 2012. Since we've got some breaking news with a new CEO, Marissa Mayer taking over at Yahoo as the CEO, formerly a top executive at Google. She resigned this afternoon, since we've got information on that, and the stock is trading up in after hours. I thought we'd take a look at Yahoo and take a look at the 2-year chart. This stock has been stuck in a major sideways pattern back and forth really for the better part of an entire year. You can kind of see it here. All of 2012 and pretty much since October, let's say, of 2011. So pretty close to a year. But the big thing to look at here is that on the news, Yahoo traded at as high as 1606, and that's right about where it is right now in after hours on some pretty good volume. But the big spot to look at here is the breakout over 1631, 1635. If Yahoo can break that, you see this descending channel of lower highs here. Those should be taken out because that's the descending line of the Bollinger Bands. We'll get to that in a second. By the way, this is brought to you by Global Edge Trading. Trade stocks and options using our firm's capital at 20-to-1 leverage. Call toll-free 877-91-TRADE, extension 2, to open an account today. And you can follow us on Twitter at Global Edge Trade. So getting back to this, this chart really is starting to look good. The thing that I really love about this, though, is the RSI, and as we'll do with the crossing trends, take that high point and cross it with the first point basically there and the middle point here and cross it up basically right there. You can kind of see, actually very easily see right away when we get the right line in here, you can see right away that Yahoo maybe looked to dip under that 50, but it didn't. And this resistance point right here on the 50 RSI, look how it's bounced off of that, and look at how the stock actually has gone down, but the RSI hasn't lost 50. We could get a really solid breakout here. I don't know about 1884. That's the 2-year high, but we could certainly see half of that range tested back up, and I really think we could get to 17 on Yahoo. So we'll have to see what happens here, but obviously some shorts probably are going to have to cover tomorrow because it looks like some already covered tonight. But the nice thing that I like about this is the channel that's created on the August of 2011 low spans up to that recent 1550 low move that we had in the range when it went as high as the 16 and the 1635. And then if we take the first drop off the 1884 from the 1595, so we get basically from here to here is the full range, half of that range here. You can see that if we draw the line right there at the 1336 and extend it out, it not only crosses the 1631, but if you extend it, it gets up to the 1884. Last thing about Yahoo that we want to look at, and this is what you'll typically get when stocks run sideways like this one has, the MACD not telling us a whole lot. However, there might have been some anticipation of something coming here because the money flows on Yahoo have definitely turned positive. So that sets up well. The on-balance volume, not really anything to look at here. So that's how Yahoo sets up. This has been brought to you by Global Edge Trade. Again, trade stocks and options using our firm's capital at 20-to-1 leverage. Call toll-free right now, 877-91-TRADE, extension 2. 20-to-1 leverage. That's a ton of leverage to trade your favorite stocks, Amazon, Google, Baidu, Yahoo. So that's going to do it for Yahoo. More to come.